Yes sir, welcome back. This is part 2 of the video. So today we're gonna be installing the Spec-D Tuning headlights. If you haven't watched the last video, go watch it. So we got the Spec-D Tuning headlights with the sequential blinking light. The style that we got was the black smoke chrome. So yeah, we're gonna be installing those today. First we gotta get the bumper off and get situated, so let's get to it. So now that we have the bumper removed, we have 3 10mm bolts to remove. One right here, one here, and one here. So let me set y'all up and let's get those up. I know y'all like this the worst angle. Yeah, I know. I need a cameraman. And I don't got nothing to sit it on. So it's gonna have to be for right now. Did it just break? Let me tell y'all something. The simplest jobs, to me, they be hard. I don't know why. Let me get this support off. It'd be crazy. The simplest jobs would take me about 6 hours. It'd be funny as hell. Alright. So now that we got the headlight out, we gotta remove all, dang, bad angle, all the tabs and everything, the plugs. So let's get to it. I'll see y'all when I get back. So now that we have the headlights all out, I want y'all to look at these. These boys bad. But we have to actually use the lights and the ballast off there. So we're gonna head inside and get that installed on the new headlights. So we're gonna start by removing this ballast. You know, we got 1, 2, 3. So what we're gonna be reusing on these lights, just the ballast and the lights. That's basically it. Take them out, swap them over to the other headlights. That's it, Rick. You're just gonna get all this stuff taken out. I think I kind of want a time lapse, y'all. So, time lapse. So, yeah, if y'all just see me struggling in that time lapse, I was. I was trying to take everything off, but yeah. So basically, to get your balance off, these are the only parts you need. So you want to remove this clip and this screw from out of this ballast, and you want to pull this from here out, and then remove your whole ballast. When you put your new ballast on your new headlight, it comes with a ring. Make sure you put the ring on, or it won't seal properly. So Spec-D actually gives you 2 new rings. You can take the old one off or leave the old one on, however you want to do it. So we're gonna get this new one on. You want to feed your wire through your headlight up to the front. I don't know about y'all, but I'm about to use this to feed it all the way up. Don't ask me what this is, cause I don't know. I just use it to grab stuff and feed stuff. That's what I've been using it for. Come on, little buddy. Man, y'all see me struggling firsthand on the simplest stuff. It be crazy. I actually have one of the headlights installed. I went ahead and did it off camera. So this is it. I got everything hooked up. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Let's see the blanket. Oh yeah, that thing. Oh yeah. So we actually have to go in the inside and finish the other one before night, and I'll let y'all see how it looked after that. You guys, here it is. Let me turn on the hazard lights for y'all real quick. There it is, you guys. So that'll be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank